Hello guys, so today we'll be learning about important one-liners for embryology. Let's start. Procaudal plate and primitive streak is seen on 14th day. Oogonia and germ cells are derived from yolk sac. First polar body is formed during oogenesis. First polar body is extruded out 10 to 12 hours prior to ovulation. Y chromosome is acrocentric. Sperms are stored in epididymis. Length of human sperms is 50 to 60 microns. Number of chromosomes are reduced down to half in first meiotic division. In humans, implantation begins on the sixth day after fertilization. Initiation and maintenance of primitive streak is by nodal gene. Primitive streak develops in third week. Structures develop from cloaca are: the cloaca develops into rectum and upper two-thirds of the anal canal, while its anterior subdivision, that is the urogenital sinus, develops into bladder, and in the female the urethra and vestibule, while in the male the prostatic urethra. Anomaly of the pancreas, in which the part of the pancreas derived from the dorsal and ventral buds fail to fuse with each other, is the pancreatic divisum, and it is the most common congenital anomaly of the pancreas. Fetal structures and adult remnants. Meckel's diverticulum is the remnant of Whiteline duct. Ligamentum venosum is the remnant of ductus venosus. Ligamentum arteriosum is the remnant of ductus arteriosus. Median umbilical ligament is the remnant of urachus. Medial umbilical ligament is the remnant of umbilical arteries. Derivatives of germ layers. Mesodermal in origin structures are kidney, muscles except the musculature of iris, bone, etc. Trigon of the bladder is also mesodermal in origin. Somites is derived from paraxial mesoderm. Epithelial lining of the biliary tract is endodermal in origin. Tympanic membrane has all the three germ layers. Derivatives of neural crest are neurons of dorsal root ganglion, sensory and autonomic sympathetic ganglion, Schwann cells, melanocytes, and mesenchyme of dental papilla, etc. all are derived from neural crests. Embryology of genitourinary system. Collecting duct develop from the ureteric bud. Epithelium of ureter develops from mesonephros. Uterus, appendix of testis develop from Mullerian duct or paramesonephric duct. Ovary develops from genital ridge. Scrotum develops from genital swelling, and clitoris develops from genital tubercle. Meckel's cartilage develops from first pharyngeal arch. Sphenomandibular ligament develops from first phalangeal arch. Stapes develop from second pharyngeal arch. Stylohyoid ligament develops from second pharyngeal arch. Greater cornu of hyoid develops from third pharyngeal arch. Posterior belly of digastric develops from second pharyngeal arch. Anterior belly of digastric develops from first pharyngeal arch, and platysma develops from second pharyngeal arch. Derivatives of pharyngeal pouches. Palatine tonsil develops from second pharyngeal pouch. Inferior parathyroid gland and thymus develop from third pharyngeal pouch. Superior parathyroid gland and ultimobranchial body develops from fourth pharyngeal pouch. Parafollicular cells or C cells are derived from ultimobranchial body. Tongue. Muscles of tongue are developed from occipital myotomes. Muscles of tongue are both smooth and skeletal muscles. Safety muscle of tongue is genioglossus. Pain of carcinoma of base of tongue is referred to the ear through glossopharyngeal nerve. Circumvallate papilla of tongue are supplied by glossopharyngeal nerve. Anterior two-thirds of the tongue develops from lingual swelling and tuberculum impar. Taste sensation from anterior two-thirds of the tongue is carried by chorda tympani, which is a branch of facial nerve. Posterior one-third of the tongue develops from hypobranchial eminence. Epithelium. Mesothelium of pleura, peritoneum, and pericardium is lined by simple squamous epithelium. Nasal cavity, nasal ear sinus, nasopharynx, larynx except the vocal cords, trachea, and bronchi are lined by pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. True vocal cords, cornea, tonsil, and vagina are lined by non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Epithelium with extra reserve of cell membranes, transitional epithelium, and transitional epithelium is present in calyces, ureter, uretrovesical junction, and urinary bladder. Now, important histological features. Brunner's gland is present in duodenum. Function of gap junction is exchange between cells. Gustatory system has sensory type of neuroepithelium. Intercalated disc is present in cardiac muscle. Nucleus in cardiac muscle is central in position. Reticuloendothelial cells of liver are Kupffer cells. Space of Disse and space of Moll are seen in liver. Intrinsic factor of Castle is secreted by parietal cells or auxenting cells. Chief peptic zymogen cell lines the body of the gland and secretes pepsinogen. Penn's cell of intestine are rich in rough endoplasmic reticulum. Epiglottis is an example of elastic cartilage, E4E. Thank you. PDF of this is provided in the description below.